Shema everyone, my name is Joshua and welcome to the Ballet Cymru online tutorials day 53 class 3. Please make sure to read our full disclaimer which you can find on any Ballet Cymru platform. Today I'll be showing you a rond de jambe exercise at the barre, and the ideal footwear for today is either barefoot, in socks or in ballet shoes, however you feel most comfortable. Please make sure you have a clear area around you so you do not harm yourself or others. So we're going to start with our left hand on the bar in the first position, and during the preparation we're going to prepare 5, 6, 7, 8, and we're going to go rond 1, 2, keeping our head out, 1, 2, 3. Same thing to the back, 1, 2 with a little pause, 1, 2, 3. We're going to do a small rond in a plie, 2, another one, 45 degrees, 3, and 4. We're going to brush forward, bring into a coup de pied, up to a tiré, down again, up to a tiré, and we're going to prepare to do everything back. So we're going to do 1 to the back, 2, 1, 2, 3. Same thing to the front, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. In plie, 2, 45 degrees, swish back into coup de pied, up to retiré, down to coup de pied, up into tiré, and just finish in a fifth position. 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, quick, 1, 2, 3. Same thing to the back. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. In plie with a rond, 45 degrees. We're going to swish it forward into coup de pied, bring it up, prepare to the back, and hold. 1, 2, front. Swish it back, up, and we finish in a fifth position. One, 2, 1, 2, 3. Same thing to the back. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Small plie, 2, into 45. We're going to brush forward into the retiré, up to retiré again, and from there, prepare to the back. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. To the front. 1, 2, 3. Again, and finish in fifth. Thank you guys very much for watching, and a very special thank you to my pianist. Goodbye.